Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Credential Manager directly. Press the Windows key, type Credential Manager, and press Enter. Once there, pick Windows Credentials for saved Windows logins or Web Credentials for browser-stored entries. You need administrator rights to reveal many passwords, so make sure you have that access. If not, request elevation now. This step lets you view the list of stored credentials and prepares the specific entry you want to inspect before proceeding to reveal the password. Once you've selected the correct credential set, locate the specific entry and expand it to show details. You'll see options like Edit, Remove, or Show. Click Edit if Show is not present. When you choose to view the password, Windows will prompt for your account password or a UAC confirmation. Authenticate so the system can decrypt the stored secret. This authentication step is why admin rights matter. It prevents unauthorized access and ensures the password displays only to verified users. After authenticating, click Show Password to reveal the plain text value and copy it securely. Avoid storing it in plain text files. Once done, close Credential Manager and lock or sign out to prevent others from seeing the list. If the Show option is missing, make sure you're using an administrative account, check group policy restrictions, or enable the built-in administrator temporarily. These are common causes. If problems persist, consult your system admin because policy or encryption issues may block access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.